How to fix SIM pin grayed out on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix SIM pin grayed out on Android. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new videos. Now let's jump right in. So when the SIM pin option is grayed out on Android, it usually indicates a temporary software glitch or an existing lock state on the SIM or a device-specific restriction. So let's go through some troubleshoot and fixes. First is restarting your phone. So a simple restart can fix minor software glitches. So for that, you can press on the volume up button and power button together. You'll find the restart button. Tap on restart and let your phone restart. After that, check if it's still grayed out or not. If it is, turn off your phone and then remove your SIM card. So after you remove your SIM card, check for any physical damage, clean it with a dry cloth, and then reinsert it in properly before powering the phone back on. After doing that, power your phone on and check if it works. After that, update phone software. To do that, go to your settings, scroll down till you find system, tap on it, then head over to system updates and check if there is an update available. Ensure that your Android's operating system and courier services are up to date. After that, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.